Welcome back to Texelated Isolated with Technology. And today I'm going to do a quick run through of how I use my Rodecaster Pro II along with my SE Electronics Dynacaster microphone. All right, so let me start with the Dynacaster and how I have that set up. Right now, the bass boost is flat. The high pass filter is flat. The built-in mic booster is on. And that's it for the SE Electronics Dynacaster microphone. So now if we look at the Rodecaster Pro II settings, you see here I have my volume set to the recommended level. If I hit the settings on the mic, you could see I am in dynamic. My level is 35 decibels. My phantom power is on. You can see here I'm using the advanced processing. All right, so let's take a deeper dive inside each setting. All right, so here is the high pass filter. As you can see here, frequency 61 hertz. The slope 12 decibels. You go over to the de-esser. My threshold is minus 28.9 dB. Ratio 5.1 to 1. My attack is 0.70 milliseconds. My release is 210 milliseconds. My gain is set to 0 dB. Frequency at 5000 hertz. All right, you can see my noise gate is at minus 37.2 dB. The hold is at 50 milliseconds. The range is at 10 dB. The attack is 25.12 milliseconds. The release is 50 milliseconds. The hysteresis, if I pronounce that correctly, is at 0.20. All right, let's move over to the compressor. The compressor is at minus 2.5 dB. The attack, 0.70 milliseconds. The gain is at 2.3 dB. The ratio is 4 to 1. The release is 21 milliseconds. Now the EQ. High bell, 9822.1 hertz. The high gain is at 1.3 dB. The mid bell is 365.6 hertz. The mid gain is minus 2 dB. The low bell, 93 hertz. And the low gain is negative 1.8 dB. The exciter, big bottom, tune, 9 hertz. The drive, 60%. The aural exciter, tune, 3500 hertz. Harmonics, 90%. Panning, nothing done there. All right, so that's pretty much all the settings that I use when pairing my SE Electronics Dynacaster with the Rodecaster Pro II. I do one more process in post. I actually put this through another compressor in Cakewalk. If you'd like more details with that process, please leave a comment below. Thank you for joining me inside the isolation chamber. You've been watching Texelated Isolated with Technology. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care.